almost like a skirt. Look at the smut he left behind though. Holy shit. Oh, that's disgusting. Ugh. Ugh. No wonder he had to go. Good Lord. Big truck, what happened? That's my good one.
No change, no. You that one? You that one?
Yeah.
Oh, see the there.
Yeah, you can see right through it. It's like your underwords. Hey?
Wow, too
Yeah.
much hole.
Too much hole, no good.
Yeah,
Too much hole, no good.
Change. No.
Why, what happened?
I second more for you 100 go. Cut it. I know. I today cut it. Cut every day cut. No good. I for you. Second more. Not on tomorrow, not on, I don't know. My friend for me. He big one. No money. Okay, cut it. How long? No problem. Go. Call the settle. He maybe one day. Oh.
3 days, it was 4 bricks for 150, now it's 6 bricks for 100.
Second more 100 for you.
Oh, that's just for me. Thank you.
You car, no car go. Car one more.
Your car? Your car?
No, I know small car. No.
Oh, just jam them in the back.
You let the car go there. No problem. Second more. One more car. Cut. Put the car go. Tomorrow maybe. Settle look good. He says garbage. I cut. Hey, every day cut. Oh my God. Second more. 100. No money, no problem. No problem.
Okay, I'll come over with my truck.
No, tomorrow call.
I'll come over right now with my truck.
Huh?
With my truck.
You truck go.
Yeah.
Go.
You got tarp or something? Tarp?
Truck? I don't know English.
Like a sheet.
Oh, cut. Okay, I cut it.
Oh, a trailer. Sheet.
Oh, trailer. Oh, see. No, tomorrow put it there.
No, dirty. Wet, dirty.
Water.
Yeah, water, dirt.
Water, no problem.
No problem, no.
Water, no problem.
No, I don't think so. Nope. What?
Let's go.
Full of stuff.
Stop.
Full.
Oh, second boy, no problem.
Oh, so windy for the drone today. Fucking.
Oh, oil.
Yeah, oil, no guy, gotta fix that one. Everything, oil. Yeah. Things are looking pretty grim.
There's no working?
Yeah,
Working?
no time.
No time.
Ay.
No working in the car?
Yeah, I gotta put inside for winter.
Oh, inside.
Yeah. Okay. I
in the house. I got it for you.
I'll come over. I gotta find a tarp, a sheet. I gotta find a sheet.
Oh, that one see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have?
I for you.
You?
That go. I for you. That one.
Okay. Okay, I come. this is great. So I'm totally out of fuel in all my rigs because when I went to Sarnia, it was $2.18, and I'd rather walk than pay $2.18 for fuel. So I like just drove it home, and now I have no fuel to get anywhere, and I'm gonna have to siphon fuel out of my friggin' light tower to go get fuel. Let's see if there's even any in here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we got light tower fuel for the truck, boys. Where's my can now? Hope you're happy. Oh, I found it. Right where the Larry cans go. Fuck, funny that. If I was a jiggler siphon hose, where would I be? You ever just run old light tower fuel in your rig? I just fucking love not being able to find stuff. That's my number one fucking go-to. If I'm in a bad mood, you know, I'll just like try to find something I can't find. Fixed. No more bad mood. Oh, sweet mother lord. Fuck. She's got clear in her too. Look at that. Oh shit. Been a while. Another day friggin' pooched. I mean, we're getting stuff done, but it's kind of like just sorting out my shit and this and that. Not really, you know. Yeah, I just gotta put more shit away because the rain's coming relentless. So I gotta move some pallets. Picked up those pallets. I got another one for the. I was looking for plastic ones because they're a little more durable for the, you know, long duration, ground wet friggin' storage situation, but. Hey, oh, looks like we got a friend. Funny that. Must be freaking catching the mouses. But yeah, so we'll find a home for that crap, and yeah, I don't know. We set up a little toolbox area. So we had like 2 box, you know, just use those drawers or whatever, but got rid of that insulations and friggin', you know, sort of straighten up some shit. We're gonna slowly start making, you know, obviously this container's the lair and the other two is just going to be like the storage, but we got to sort all that shit out too. It's a little long, terrible process, boys. Long, terrible process. Anybody wants to come over and rifle through my shit? Oh, and speaking of friggin' rifling through my shit, that last movie with Tumuchi, that was a lot of work making all them words, and looks like you guys friggin' liked it, so hopefully you liked and shared the vidya, for frig's sakes. And merch, the merch store, boys, don't forget about that. You love that kind. Terrible. There's all type of awesome as frig shirts. You can even get a hobo sucking a carrot shirt if you like. That's how friggin' awesome the store is. But anyways, boys, we gotta get our shit together here. We got some tunes in the friggin' shipping container now too. Yeah, we friggin' do. But yeah, I was also kind of gathering some parts up and some bits and pieces because I'm going to make an engine run stand for comments, so that when I make a comments I can put it on the engine run stand. I'm just going to use this giant radiator, you know, have the radiator, the comments, you know what I mean? It'll be awesome. You know what I mean? But yeah, just tons of, you know, trying to, you know, winter's coming, boys, so I don't even know like if you're even aware of the area of the country that we live. too, that friggin' Baker scaffolding that I had, and the friggin' ding thing. Somebody was supposed to come get some tires and a pump today, but tomorrow or something, I don't know, but too much from the anyway, just been so freaking busy. Under curtains and friggin' this and that. Yesterday I did so many friggin' under curtains I thought I was gonna die. And then I had to have a nap. And it felt like shit. So I quit. You know what I mean? Like, I'm good. I'm good, thanks. Apologize, but not really. Yeah, there's still a few more days. Still a few more days we could take this out. Hey, I apologize. I apologize. This is going to take more months. Oh, away she goes. Oh, and over here, I don't even want to talk about it. Anyways, boys, I gotta go smoke cigarettes.